Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Hey guys, it's me again. Today we're gonna draw a Super Saiyan, legendary Super Saiyan 3 Broly. The legendary Super Saiyan from Super Dragon Ball Heroes has finally mastered Super Saiyan 3. And now, well, in the first time of his life, he has experienced what Super Saiyan 3 mixed with legendary Super Saiyan power is like. I drew it before, but I might have screwed up on that one. But I finally get to put this to good use. There we go. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Here's his belt. And finish. That's how you draw Super Saiyan 3 Broly. Legendary Super Saiyan 3 Broly. The real way this time.